in many scenarios such as security and emergency response. The continuous airborne warning matrix light paired with drones can provide identification and play a strong deterrent role, assisting in efficiently carrying out various tasks. The continuous airborne warning matrix light uses high-quality LED light sources and high transmittance optical lenses with a maximum brightness of 6000 lumen, an illumination angle of 60, and a warning range of up to 300 meters. The product features a long battery life, which is compact, lightweight, and high bright. The continuous airborne warning matrix light, depending on different task scenarios, can be switched freely between different modes, including red, yellow, and blue flashing lights, flowing water flickering, and breathing scintillation. The continuous WEF10 is powered by LD30, and it can be operated remotely with a remote control. The continuous WEF10 can achieve remote control through LD20 and magnetically fixed on the roof. Serving as a warning light, the continuous onboard warning light provides a more convenient and effective experience for tasks, such as performing law enforcement for drones at night, emergency search and rescue, emergency rescue and disaster relief, and industrial inspection.